All right, so the YouTube challenge that Brylee is doing is she's going to make her own cake without the help of the parents. You got this? So she's got to pick out a cake. She's got to work the oven. She can use YouTube and the internet to kind of study it up, but I am not helping her, and she better keep the house clean. That's cupcakes. There's the cake. She got directions on the back. Again, I said I wasn't helping you. Do you see anything else you need? Icing. All right. All right, we'll see how it goes here. Think you can do it? Scanning in her stuff she has picked up. What do you got?
I got some bacon spray.
Spray for the pan, I guess. Yep. Eggs.
Please remove the last item.
Confetti. So here's what she's got. Good luck. All right. Here is Brylee cake. She has got her stuff set up. She's picked it out. No help. She's reading the instructions on her pan. And we're going to see how she gets going. Oakley says, I'm not sure about this. Mama's like, I don't know. Colton, he's just playing cars. Oh, what's some spray going on there?
Smells good though.
Smells good. Don't, hey, shake it. I can't tell you.
I can't watch.
All right, she's moving along. All right, we're back. Where'd you get the cup of the water?
I don't know.
I'd pour some of that out, but I don't know. Okay. I don't know anything. I can't even bake a cake myself.
I did. I wonder if I poured the whole thing. So we're gonna be doing that.
Tell us your steps as you're going. Talk to your audience.
So we poured the water, and now we go up to pour the oil.
Just speak loud and clear.
Oil.
Oil, all right. How much oil are you supposed to put in it?
It doesn't say.
It does too.
This is Brylee Kate at 8 years old, baking a cake.
At the top, baby.
1.5 cup, 3.5 or something.
3.5. So 1/3. What are you doing?
This is interesting. There you go.
There's another one that looks like that.
Yeah, that's what the picture says.
Yep. Hopefully I can pour this.
Oh.
Good job. Whoa. Oakley, you want some cake?
No eggs.
He's wanting cookie back. This should be interesting watching you crack some eggs.
There could be shells in here.
Could be shells in here.
You know what a good idea is? Am I allowed to tell her?
On how to crack eggs.
No, it's just a tip. To crack them in a bowl first, that way if any shells get in there, you can get them out, and then you can pour your own.
Get you another bowl.
What?
Because I ain't eating no cake with no cracked shells in it.
Use your water cup over there
What's it
to
called?
crack your eggs.
You threw it on the floor.
What?
Inside of it.
Inside?
Crack it right in the middle. You cracked it on the end.
What?
Can you ever cracking it in the middle of the bowl? That's hard.
Crack. You did it?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a shell on there?
No shell.
Wow.
Right there.
No.
Crack it on the edge.
Heck no, crack it on the table.
Crack it on the table, I guess. In the middle, right there.
Or
Uh-oh.
get it hard, and then you pick
Crack
it
it
up
on
and split.
this.
I think you know how to crack an egg.
There's no shell, at least.
I don't.
No shell.
Are you sure?
No shell.
I already know what. What you got? Paper plate.
Crack it harder here on this napkin.
Scout shit.
Right. Right.
There you go. Scout shit.
Oh, there's gonna be shell on that one.
Oh.
You put it off your hand in there. We got shell, folks.
Can I put my hands in there? Or is it...
Yeah, you can put your hands in there. You've washed them. Go ahead and get it.
Okay.
You're gonna put egg on top of it.
There's
Right.
one more piece.
Look, you got shell, more shell getting ready to go in there.
Okay, so
And it shows.
trying to get this piece off.
Lay it down how it has it on there. Okay, so you're gonna lay it down like it shows on here. And it shows
That's-
from this corner down like that.
Mom, get him. What? I was just telling her, get him.
And then
So you can play with Cody.
I can't do this.
You want him?
There'll be cracks in this. And if there's eating this, do not watch this part. Skip to another part. Now we are going to pour the eggs in.
Yeah. You can let it sit on the bottom of the bowl while you're doing it. Like you can touch the bottom.
We gave very small tips is it. And Dad here doesn't really know anything at all.
You want to turn it up just a little one step
So
higher?
now we are pouring it in. It's glue. It's from where I turned it out. Okay, we're ready to set the timer.
All right.
Now we're gonna put it in. Let me get some. Mom, this is what happens when you fly backwards.
We'll do some more tomorrow, okay?
See? What?
We'll do some more tomorrow.
Okay. Can you open it?
Yeah, I'll open it.
Should we do the bottom one?
No, we're already got the top one on. Here, this is hot. Let me at least do this.
Okay. Put my hands in over here.
Press timer to start. 25 minutes. There we go.
And when it's done, we shall let you know. We got out of the oven. Now it's time to ice in it.
I'm really not sure what she's doing. But you're gonna drop it. All right, dad tip. Get all your icing out with your spoon, and then use your big spreader. Set your spreader down.
Okay.
Here, stand over the cake. Put it all on there. Lord help me, child. Bring your cup over here.
Okay.
You can't be eating that. Oh, I just seen you take a lick of that. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it off.
Oh. All right, Grandma, step in and help her. It's only 11 o'clock at night. Oh, you about threw it out.
Do it like this. You got the whipped.
It's Brylee's first cake making.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's great.
Majorly. That's like something you'd say, Brylee.
That's
Yeah, that's not a word. She's done most of this by herself. You're supposed to wait when the cake cools down. I remember that.
Yeah.
So,
I was gonna say that. Just give her a regular spoon to spread it, 'cause it's not.
I thought she had a regular spoon. Oh.
Well, she could have used. You can use this to spread it, right?
Yeah, like
It'll
the
spread better.
spatula. I need another scoop, please.
All right, I'll show you on the end result in a minute since Dad and daughter are not real sure.
So now we have the cake, and I'm about to try it, my own cake that I made. That's pretty good.
Pretty good? Awesome.